Can humanoid robots replace human companionship? It's a question that once seemed the stuff of science fiction, but now it's a reality we grapple with every day. As we venture deeper into the 21st century, the role of humanoid robots in our lives has expanded beyond our wildest dreams. From serving as household helpers to becoming comprehensive companions, these robots are gradually becoming an integral part of our daily existence. Technological advancements, including breakthroughs like Neuralink, are paving the way for more sophisticated interactions between humans and robots. These developments are not only transforming our relationship with technology, but also challenging our understanding of companionship, relationship, and even love. As we stand on the brink of this new frontier, it's essential to understand the potential benefits and drawbacks of such advancements. Because in the end, it's not just about technology. It's about the very fabric of our human relationships. In a society where loneliness is on the rise, could humanoid robots be the solution we need? As we navigate the complexities of modern life, the allure of humanoid robots becomes increasingly clear. Imagine a companion that can offer unwavering support, always there to lend an ear or a helping hand, tirelessly dedicated to your well-being. A companion that doesn't judge, doesn't argue, and never grows tired or impatient. This is the promise of humanoid robots. They are not just pieces of hardware, but the embodiment of sophisticated artificial intelligence, capable of understanding and responding to human emotions. They can be programmed to perform household chores or to provide companionship, filling a void that is often left vacant in our fast-paced, digitally connected, yet ironically isolated world. For the elderly who long for company, for the busy professional who struggles to manage household tasks, for the introvert who finds social interaction draining, humanoid robots could be a godsend. They can offer companionship without the complexities of human relationships, assistance without the burden of obligation. In the realm of dating, too, these robots could present an intriguing alternative to the often disappointing reality of modern romance. No more ghosting, no more heartbreak, no more unsolicited advice from well-meaning friends. Just an understanding companion who is programmed to suit your preferences, to understand your needs, and to provide the kind of companionship you desire. These robots are not bound by human limitations. They don't tire, they don't age, they don't hold grudges. They are, in a sense, the perfect companions. But this perfection comes at a price. While the benefits are enticing, it is equally important to consider the potential drawbacks and ethical implications. After all, can a machine truly replace human interaction? Can it understand the nuances of human emotion? And what happens when we start preferring the company of robots to that of humans? These are questions that we must grapple with as we continue to explore the exciting yet uncharted territory of humanoid robots. Could humanoid robots disrupt the very fabric of our societal norms and human relationships? This is a question we cannot ignore as we delve into the realm of artificial intelligence and its implications. Humanoid robots, designed with the intention of providing companionship, undeniably bring an array of benefits. Yet, they also pose potential threats that warrant our attention. The possibility of robots programmed for agreement, companionship, and even sexual relationships is indeed a reality we are approaching. But it's a reality that raises serious ethical questions. Imagine a world where disagreements, arguments, and the growth that stems from resolving conflicts are replaced by programmed agreement. Conflict, as uncomfortable as it may be, often leads to personal growth, understanding, and empathy. If robots are programmed to always agree, are we not risking the loss of these critical aspects of human relationships? Moreover, there's the question of authenticity. Genuine human connections are built on shared experiences, mutual feelings, and the unpredictability of emotions. Can a programmed entity truly replicate the depth and complexity of human emotion? And if not, will our emotional intelligence and capacity for empathy diminish in a world where our primary companions may lack genuine emotion? Then we have the issue of societal norms. Traditions, customs, and norms play a pivotal role in shaping our societies. They provide a sense of identity and continuity, However, integrating humanoid robots into our lives could disrupt these norms. What happens when robots take over roles traditionally held by humans? Could this lead to a shift in societal structures and norms that we're ill-prepared to handle? Lastly, the emergence of robots designed for sexual relationships presents its own set of ethical dilemmas. While it may cater to certain physical needs, it opens up a Pandora's box of questions around consent, objectification, and the potential for exploitation. The question then arises, are we ready to navigate these uncharted waters? The answers may not be clear-cut, but it's crucial we confront these questions as we stand on the brink of a new frontier in human-robot relationships. Humanoid robots, a new frontier in addressing human needs, or an ethical minefield? As we've considered, they offer a potential solution for the growing loneliness in our society, stepping in as comprehensive companions and helpers. Yet, the threat they pose to human relationships and societal norms cannot be ignored. These are not mere machines. They are entities programmed for complete agreement, companionship, and in some cases even sexual relationships. The ethical implications of such creations are vast and varied, from the degradation of genuine human interaction to the potential for exploitation. But let's not forget the benefits. In a world where the need for emotional and physical connection is ever present, these robots could fill a void many struggle with. It's a delicate balance, one that calls for responsible development and use of such technologies. As we step into this new era, it is up to us to navigate the ethical complexities and societal implications to ensure a future where technology enhances human life, not replace it. The future of humanoid robots in human life is not just a technological question, but a societal one. We've explored the complexities of this new frontier in human relationships, both the potential benefits and disruptive implications. Humanoid robots could offer companionship and support, addressing the growing loneliness in our society. Yet their capacity for complete agreement and potential for sexual relationships introduce ethical questions and potential threats to societal norms. The balance is delicate. On one hand, we have the potential to alleviate human emotional needs and enhance our lives. On the other, we risk creating a world where genuine human connections become obsolete. The key to navigating this new frontier is an open and ongoing dialogue, a comprehensive understanding of the implications, and a mindful approach to development and integration of these technologies. As we embrace the future, let us remember that the key to harnessing the potential of humanoid robots lies in our hands.